Hello and welcome to Digital Medboard. Here we go. Massive blood transfusion is defined as transfusion of more than 10 units of packed red blood cells within 24 hours, or transfusion of more than 4 units of packed RBCs within 4 hours, or transfusion of more than one entire blood volume in 24 hours, or transfusion of more than 50% of total blood volume within 4 hours. Now we are going to discuss about complications and electrolyte disturbances in massive blood transfusion. At first, hypothermia. Next, dilutional coagulopathy. Dilutional coagulopathy occurs due to dilution of clotting factors and platelets. Additionally, stored blood contains anticoagulants like EDTA and citrate, which further contribute to coagulopathy. Next, hypocalcemia and hypomagnesemia. Stored blood contains citrate, which chelates calcium and magnesium during blood transfusion. This results in hypocalcemia and hypomagnesemia. Next, acidosis. Metabolic acidosis may be observed in patients receiving blood transfusions, but it is usually due to the underlying condition. Example, hemorrhagic shock, leading to lactic acidosis from poor tissue perfusion. Next, hyperkalemia. Stored blood, especially when preserved for a long time, has reduced glucose levels. Without sufficient glucose, red blood cells cannot produce ATP. This leads to dysfunction of the sodium-potassium ATPase pump, which normally moves 3 sodium ions out and 2 potassium ions into the cell. Without ATP, this pump fails, resulting in potassium leaking out of the cells into the plasma, leading to hyperkalemia. Next, air embolism. Air embolism may occur during rapid or large volume transfusion. Next, metabolic alkalosis. Alkalosis can occur due to the metabolism of citrate, which present in stored blood. Citrate enters the citric acid cycle and is eventually converted to bicarbonate, causing a metabolic alkalosis. And finally, transfusion-related acute lung injury. We got a question. Massive blood transfusion causes all of the following, except citrate causes hypocalcemia and hypomagnesemia, and citrate metabolism leads to alkalosis. Sodium-potassium ATPase pump failure causes hyperkalemia, not hypokalemia. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital Medboard. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Choose.